This here is Gadget Club, a monthly subscription package that essentially houses gadgets. Now, I'm a big fan of tech, so this is exciting to see, mainly because of the fact that you have no idea what's inside of here, but again, it's actually really cool tech. Now, together we'll be seeing exactly what's inside of this particular subscription package, and if you guys wanted your own or just want to check them out, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Cool. So off the back, I can see some lovely looking games. Looks like it's like a Game Boy theme. I'm not exactly sure, to be honest, but it says here that kind of explains what you get. So we get ourselves a built-in 400 classic game system. So this is a really cool looking console. A Apple Watch charging station that's designed to look like a Game Boy. How cool is that? And then we get an LED name badge. All right, let's check this stuff out. First off, you get this game console. So this says it's a 401 game console called Plus. I'm not sure, I've never heard of it. So it says supports external gamepad, double against, not sure. It comes with a console, AV cable, DC cable, user manual. I don't know, let's open it up. Oh, sweet. Check it out, it's like literally a mini Game Boy. That's actually really cool looking. Definitely brings back a lot of nostalgic value. And yeah, I mean, comes with some USB, and then looks like we got our battery here in the back. It's a rechargeable battery, so that's cool. And then on-off switches here. So let's try this out. All right, it says English or Chinese. We'll go with English. Oh, it's Super Mario, Mario 14, Mario 3, Dr. Mario, Ninja Turtles. Dude, these are awesome games. We gotta try this out. Let's try out Super Mario first. Oh, wait, what? What? Wait, I'm skipping through these. That's not what I wanted to do. There we go, start. Ah, it's the original Super Mario, or Mario NES. What? This is awesome. Oh, this definitely brings back a lot of memories. There's the mushroom. All right, we're big. Oh no, we're small. No, we died. Oh, this is really cool. I'm surprised they got 400 games in this thing. That's absolutely insane. You got Donkey Kong as well. What? Oh man, this definitely brings back a lot of memories. Okay, so it's not like just Nintendo theme. This is like everything in here. This is crazy. What is Kicky Mouse? Kicky Mouse? Oh yeah, this thing just keeps going. Excite Bike. Oh, we gotta try that. I love Excite Bike. I forgot how the theme goes. All right, starting Excite Bike. Track 1. All right, here we go. I love this game. Whoa, jump, nice. Oh no, we crashed. Oh man, I used to love this game as a kid. Ah! Yeah, I used to make my own custom levels in this thing, and it was absolutely like the bomb. And that's enough of that. This here's a really great game console, and I would highly recommend it, especially if you're just a retro person. I mean, like, I was born in the 80s, so a must have. This here supposedly is an Apple Watch charging stand. So you can go ahead and put your Apple Watch in there and make it look like a Game Boy. So I'm kind of curious to see how this plays out. Oh, oh, what? I'm in absolute awe right now. This thing is actually really cool. So it is literally a little Game Boy. See that? Like, it looks like a little Game Boy. It's even got a cartridge on the back. It's made out of rubber, so it's a great quality material. You can like just kind of rub it around, throw it around, and create no damage. Now it's got a little spot here on the back. I don't know if you guys see that, but that is where our Apple charger would go. And then you can go ahead and run it through on the bottom. There's like a little spot for that. If the charger is in fact there, this will go ahead and just kind of slide into place, kind of like that. So that is actually a really, really cool design concept. a must-have for anybody who's into, of course, Nintendo, as well as retro gaming. So last but not least, we have an LED name badge. So I believe you can go ahead and customize this. I'm not sure how this works out. Is it app enabled? I don't know, but we'll find out. So it's actually a pretty darn big name badge right there. It does come with a USB-C cable to go ahead and charge it. So it does have a built-in battery, which is great. And then this here is our name badge. So I don't know where the on, it's right here. So we have an on button here. Okay. We have some letters popping up there. So we can go ahead and like place this name badge on us like this. Voila! It says welcome. So that's actually really cool. So you can go ahead and customize it using the app via Bluetooth. So that's cool that they included that. I really like it a lot. I particularly am a big fan of this little game console right over here, just because it has every single game you could imagine from your childhood, if you're born in the 80s or the 90s, early 90s, I'm not sure. But then also this here is definitely a retro looking Game Boy, especially for anyone who's into retro nostalgic game consoles. This stuff here is definitely for you. And yeah, I mean, that's actually a really cool box. I mean, thank you to the good folks over at Gadget Club for sending this over. Again, if you guys wanted your own, check it out down below in the description. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.